with just playing interval 6 from C. Let's start with you, sweetie. It's a warm-up, okay? So you get a little bit more energized. So you don't really have to even look at music. We are gonna start from C and play interval 6 and release, just like 2-note pairs. Then from next note, the same interval. So this way we start with big movements rather than finger work first. We need to continue up to B. Yes. F, drop down and like draw a smile. Do, 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 do. Smoothly. Do, 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 slowly. Do, do, and C. Last note C. And then we go back the same way. Do, 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 do. See, she's not releasing going down, so we need to. It's a really good action. Stretch 6 and last one. So that's the first step. When she's better, then we'll fill in a little bit like that. Look, sweetie. We are gonna play series of notes, but between 1 and 2 there will be a skip. Okay? So, and then we'll finish on A, the same. But we'll finish on A because of this skip. Let's try. Only one skip and put your thumb on the tip. Yes, we just fill in that interval. On the edge. Skip, stretch and skip. Between 1 and 2. See, we have big distance here. And relax completely. Yes. Drop. Yes, try to lock your fingers. And C. And then we'll go back the same way. But this time it will be a little bit harder. The skip is gonna happen between 5 and 4. 5, 4 skip. Yes, and then we just release. Start on G. Take a breath. Skip. Yes. Good. Skip. Yes. Good job. Our fingers will stretch really well. And relax. It's really comfortable. And I would do the same with the left hand. Not even worrying about, we will use lots of different drills on this only first one. And this is only for reference. I actually have them look, because I want them to focus on
Yeah.
on the
Yeah.